Ito naman, balikan natin si Joe Tomesis na live para sa DOH 116th anniversary. Hello, Joe. Kamusta ka dyan?
Salamat, Carla. Nakikita niyo naman sa akin likuran, buhay na ang Department of Health dahil meron silang ginagawa. I think this is Zumba, pero I'm not sure. Pero bago yan, mga boss, hinatak natin ang kanilang organizer mula sa kanyang event. Please welcome. Nandito ngayon si Dr. Kenneth Ronquillo. Good morning, Doc.
Good morning, Jot. Good morning sa lahat ng nakikinig sa PTV4.
Okay, so Doc, ngayong araw is 116th anniversary ng DOH. Ano in store na mangyayari ngayong araw?
Well, for the 116th anniversary, ang theme namin is to be healthy as a nation. And we want to start this by being healthy ourselves. Kaya kung nakikita nyo nga sa background, meron tayong hataw exercises that actually starts the activity of being healthy. Sabi namin, bago natin sabihin na healthy ang buong nation, dapat kami muna na nagli-lead sa Department of Health should be healthy. So in the whole day today, we have healthy exercises, we have hataw competitions, we have sports activities. Well, part of being healthy is also looking at clean environment. So malinis na environment, clean buildings. Tinitignan din namin na meron din kaming recreation through singing. So mamayang hapon meron din mga singing activities.
Wow, so you are a very busy man today, Doc.
Well, yes, today, but I'd like to tell everyone also that this is just the start of a year-long activity sa Department of Health and saying everybody na let's...
Okay, so Doc, meron nga tayong ginagawang dance activity dito sa ating likuran, tapos na-mention nyo na magkakaroon ng sports fest, and pinopromote nga natin ang good health. So ano ba to? Itong mga activities na to, do we do this every year?
Well, every week we do hataw exercises here in the Department of Health, and we encourage all offices, including other line agencies, to also do their hataw exercises. That's part of being healthy. Of course, that's the whole year. Well, today we're launching our sports fest for the Department of Health, and eventually the winners of this contest will be part of the inter-hospital na papasok naman sometime in September, and that will go through December.
Okay, so Doc, ang tawag niyo sa activity is hataw. So, paano natin na-conceptualize to?
Well, ang hataw kasi means movement, di ba? So, galaw-galaw, hataw-hataw. That means to say, being healthy means doing some form of movements, taking care of your physical body. Kung nakikita sa screen yung t-shirt natin, belly good. So, ang premise nito is measuring the belly of every person and looking at what is ideal. Sa akin, ang ideal ko is 80 centimeters. So, which means to say that with hataw exercises, I should be able to maintain my waistline at 80 centimeters.
So, Doc, belly good. So, ano bang health benefit ang naidudulot ng isang lean na belly?
Well, we're using the belly to measure the health of a person. Diba? So, ang ibig sabihin yan, kung maganda yung measurement ng waistline mo, it reflects the manner by which your heart works, your lung works, your kidney works, your whole physical body works.
And of course, masasabi rin na may control sa diet ang taong may lean na belly.
Well, of course. You look at not just exercise, you look at your diet. Well, if you talk actually of wellness, it actually also tells you of having well-exercised brain. Kaya nga dito sa Department of marami ring programs na ginagawa, marami ring concepts na ginagawa to see to it that everybody becomes healthy.
And Doc, Sports Fest. So ano-ano bang sports ang gagawin natin mamaya?
Well, we're starting with 5 ball games. Meron tayong basketball, may volleyball, may badminton, may bowling, and may table tennis tayo.
Wow, ang dami naman. So Doc, dahil meron tayong basketball, may volleyball, tingin nyo ba pwedeng maglaban minsan yung team ng DOH at team ng PTV4?
Well, we encourage that. Maganda nga yan para nakikita natin na ang activity natin is with just not within the Department of Health but encouraging other line agencies, of course, to play with us and be healthy.
And Doc, aside from yung ating na-mention nyo nga na year-long event, so aside from this hataw, yung ating sports fest, ano-ano pa bang balak ng DOH?
Well, currently we are having a road show. We started our road show last weekend in Mindanao. We're going to the Visayas and eventually here in Luzon, promoting all health activities of the Department of Health for the whole nation.
And Doc, sa administrasyon na to, maraming matatawag na victories ang DOH. Nandyan yung RH law, yung syntax law, tapos yung maglalagay tayo ng mga pictures ng mga negative effects ng smoking sa mga pack ng cigarettes. So, are we expecting a healthier Philippines dahil sa mga ito?
Well, if we look our indicators, I do not have the figures now, pero kung may papakita sana natin yung mga indicators natin on health, kita naman natin yung pagbaba ng ating infant death, maternal death, more children are now immunized. Ang gusto kong sabihin dito is now more people are aware of their own health and expanding it to their families.
So, family. So, Doc, sa tingin ninyo, bilang isang, sabihin natin yung mga padre de pamilya dyan or yung mga mother sa mga tahanan, paano ba nila promote ang healthier activities sa tahanan, especially para maipasa nila sa kanilang mga chikiting?
Well, as a family unit, of course, yung parents, encourage natin yung exercise activities. Family bonding is a way of doing exercise. Well, mga ibang families, kung ang love nila dancing or singing, any recreational activities that provides them better health, provide them better well-being, then that's the way to do it. Of course, don't forget diet kasi importante yan palagi sa isang pamilya.
And of course, mas strengthen yung bond ng family kung gagawin natin to together.
Yes, of course. That's correct.
Okay, so Doc, baka meron na lang po tayong message para sa mga boss natin dyan na nanonood sa kanilang mga bahay regarding sa ating health.
Well, sa lahat ng mga kasama natin na Pilipino na nanonood, we encourage that as we go through each day of our lives, one, look at our physical fitness through exercise, through appropriate diet. Well, we also have to look at other recreational activities as bonding for our families and hoping that if we do all of these, we become a healthy nation.
Thank you, Doc. At ayan po si Dr. Kenneth Ronquillo, ang organizer for today's activity. So, mga boss, sasali muna kami dito sa sayawan sa ating likod. Huwag kayong aalis dahil magbabalik pa kami. Back to studio.